Hello and welcome back. You know what? Let's make this a short one. So here we go. Alright, first of all, log into your YouTube account and go to the Creator Studio. Scroll down to Create. Now from here you have two options. You can do or use the audio library from YouTube. All of these tunes will be perfectly safe and fine to download and use in your videos without any notices from YouTube. We want to look at music policies. Alright, so from here we can search for a particular band or a particular tune. So in this case, for the first example, let's search, let's do a friend of mine here on YouTube. Let's search Stephanie Foran. Alright, so here we have a bunch of songs from Stephanie that's available. So let's click some at random here. Skeletons. It says here playback, viewable worldwide. You can't monetize your vinegar. You can't monetize your video. Let's go vinegar. Let's scroll down to, okay, I got food on my mind, don't I? Let's scroll down to one of my favorite songs, Closer Than Before. Again, if you use this song, it's playable, viewable worldwide, but you cannot monetize your video. So what this is saying basically that these songs from Stephanie are perfectly safe and fine to use without getting a notification from YouTube. Next up, let's try a particular song. Oh, I don't know. Let's try a classic, Band on the Run, a song from Paul McCartney from the Beatles, and let's see what happens here. Alright, so it looks like we have different versions of Band on the Run. Let's go with the Paul McCartney song, this one here, and see what it says. Okay, this song is not available for use in your YouTube videos. If you use this song, your video may be blocked or muted. Let's try a different version here from the Foo Fighters. Don't know if that's the same song, but it does say here that it is viewable worldwide. Let's try a different version of the song from Paul McCartney. And it says here this is blocked in 249 countries. However, you can perform a cover of the song, which is viewable worldwide. So this particular song you may want to stay away from unless you want to do a cover. Let's try a particular artist again. Let's try let's see, Taylor Swift, I guess. Alright, let's try one of her popular songs, Shake It Off, and see what happens. No surprise here, this song is not available for use in your YouTube videos. Your video may be blocked or muted. Alright, so once again, this is an example on how to check music policies for copyright violations on YouTube by typing in the artist or the song. That's it. That's all I have for this one. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.